Hi everybody, I am going to share with you today something that was really helpful to us when I was homeschooling my kids. I'm a 25-year veteran of homeschooling. I have homeschooled 3 children from kindergarten, preschool, all the way up to graduation. And this is one of the activities that we did on a regular basis with my children. And I really think that building these handmade manipulatives changed the way that they owned their education, they retained their education, and they were able to share what they were learning. So you're going to start with a file folder, and listen, this is a used file folder. All I did was take a little of this fantastic whiteout and whited out what we had written on the tab of the folder. So that's all you have to do. You do not have to spend money on brand new things. I love brand new things. Don't misunderstand me. However, I have bought many, many items from the Goodwill stores. We have a local place that sells used items. I find stacks of file folders for 99 cents for an entire stack. Sometimes there's cardstock, there's graph paper, rulers, pens, pencils, markers, all of that. You can look at my other Lapbooking 101 training videos on my channel, but right now I'm just going to show you one fold, and we're going to take a look at how easy it is for you to start making handmade manipulatives with your children. Okay, so here we go. You're going to lay your file folder flat, and it doesn't matter, let the kids choose the color they want to use. This will be on the inside if you do it this way. We're going to do it this way because I want the red to be on the outside. Okay, so you start with your file folder, you just lay it flat. You fold the file folder in, and the furthest edge on that side is what you want touching the center. Okay, so you can fold it this way, but it's easier if you do it this way. Okay, so just do it with that furthest edge right into the center and give your folder a really good crease. You might need to use scissors, you might need to use a marker or a pen, something that can give that folder a nice hard crease. Okay, and then you do the same thing on the other side. All right, and all we do here is we match up our file folder edges so it's kind of fit together like a puzzle piece would. Okay, and give again a nice firm crease. This is called a shutter fold. If you've never done handmade manipulatives before for your kids to use with their education, this is what we call lapbooking. This is the way that I've always done it. When we get to it, you're going to be able to put lots of things inside this folder, and I'll show them to you as we go along. But it's real important that you use a really good file folder or a nice sturdy piece of cardstock, because we're going to load things into this folder and it's going to become heavy. All right, so it needs to hold whatever it is you're putting in it. Okay, so this is lesson 1. It's called a shutter fold, and now we can move on to lesson 2.